In this video, I'll show you how to blur in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes. So open up your CapCut. If there is any part of a video or a video playing in the background of your material that you love to blur in CapCut, you need to select what you want, right? So let's say if I would love to blur from 1 second to 10 seconds, what I need to do, I'm going to just come on here. I'm going to come on to this area. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on split. Then I'm going to come on here. I'll select this. I'll click on effects. I'll click on video effects. I'm going to come on to the search. I'll type in blur. So I'm going to click on it. So this is what you need to do. So wait for it to open up. So I'll select this. So you can see, I'll click on this. So if you click on this, it's going to be a blurred background. So look at it again. You can just adjust it till this. Let me see here till this. So you can see all through is just a blur background currently. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.